Welcome to Ollama Desktop application that runs small, open source models on your own machine. Let's take a look. First, in Ollama's model library, find a model that fits your use case and your machine's spare RAM and is recently released. Then, from Ollama Desktop application settings, sign into your Ollama account. In the application, start a new chat. Enter the model name. Enter a prompt and submit it. Ollama installs the model if not already installed. Then the model responds to your prompt. You can either wait for the model to complete running or can stop the model at any time. Next, you can either submit another prompt or start a new chat. Easy, isn't it? Go ahead and try it.